Perfect. And like I do believe in that, and I second that. It takes a village. And specifically, I think for health, it takes a city and a country to really build a viable solution that is future-proof. With that, I think, yeah, I really thank you for your insights and your time. I don't know if we have time for one question. Yes, please. She's getting the mic.
Hi. Thank you for the beautiful insights and for the innovations happening in the Saudi healthcare sector. I'm Shukri Asmar from Visita. We are a health tech in the MENA region. And my question would be, after all these innovations you are planning, what would be a gap that we should be focusing on that you still miss entrepreneur to invest their time into solving a problem that is still facing the healthcare sector in Saudi?
Well, I think, first of all, mashallah, Visita is a well-known platform. It's actually beautiful always establishing your startup or company in a field which is a noble, where you have a social enterprise, adding value to the population's health. I think the gap in healthcare, and that's why Dr. Louisa, when she showed the 5%, it's a shocking number that you don't see a lot of investors. From my personal view, I think it's because two things. First, healthcare solutions takes time to be validated because of regulations and different license, as you know, Visita. Second is that the return of investment, you need to be patient. So you need to wait to see this return of investment, but it's a rewarding return of investment if you be patient. So it's not in 1 year you will see all of those return of investment and all of that work that you've done, like other fields. So I think the gaps in healthcare is big. I think today the Ministry of Health, if I would love to guide you, they've done an amazing job in guiding investors and entrepreneurs on the Ministry of Health portal. If you go to the Ministry of Health portal, you will see the team have studied the market and the potential of the market. Telemedicine, building a clinic, having a digital solution, having a home care service. All of that have been studied from the Ministry of Health and from the government to educate the public and to educate business owners and entrepreneurs that they want to enter the market. This has been validated and been studied and looked deeply on the Ministry of Health portal. I think that's a beautiful guide, because as you know that the Ministry of Health is moving toward a super regulatory body, they need to educate the public about the potential and about the opportunities and about the investment opportunities as well.
I see the AV team getting really tired, but maybe we have time for one question? Okay, good.